Do you want to know how I created this gorgeous look? Then keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Brows are done. Now onto my full face. I'm going for red and pink soft glam. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette by Makeup Obsession London, and look at all the pink colors, amazing. So before I start my eye color, I'm going to use a very light concealer as my eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to add some loose powder just to set. You always want to set your concealer so that it doesn't crease. I'm going to be starting with the Peonies Fleece shade, and I'm going to work my way through. I'm using a crease brush. Oh, that's a nice shade. That's just my crease, kind of. Then I'm going for this shade, it's called Date Night. I'm just gonna pile it up here. Oh, that's nice. Exactly what I'm going for, exactly. So pile it up a bit at the end and then just sweep it across. Some people like to do one eye and then the other, but I prefer to do it this way. And it's so hard talking while doing your makeup. Like, I find it really hard to talk, which is why I always do voiceovers for my makeup. So you just need to do it like a C, kind of. Just file it there, we'll be blending later. Then that same crease brush I used earlier, that's what I'm gonna use to just blend it. So it's a blending thing, blend, blend. Then I'm gonna keep applying the dark shade until I get my desired shade. To get the perfect eyeshadow look, you have to be patient and always blend. Just be patient. There's no rush, okay? Then I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using this eye base from Revlon to cut my crease. I just need to apply a little bit on here so that we don't mess things up. So I've applied a few of the base on my palette. So the trick is to, I'm going to put a bit on my lid. And I look up. And wherever the eye base touches, that is where I cut my crease. So I'm going to be using a small mirror because I need to look closely. So this is where I'm going to be applying my crease. I'll do the same on the other eye. And I'm going to be going for this color. It's called Pout. It's a very soft pink color. And I'm just gonna pat it on my crease like so. Make sure to cover all the parts. I'm still going to be adding shimmer on top of it, so not to worry. pink shimmer to add on top of it. I'm going to be applying half lash off camera. So I've done my lashes off camera. Now let's start with the base. For my primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It looks white because of my sunscreen, but it's gonna dry up, so that's okay. So for my foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty. I mixed two colors together. I'm mixing 450 and 445. 450 is a bit too red for me, so I toned down the redness with the 445. Just mixing the foundation together. Then a wet beauty blender. It's not wet, it's just damp. My favorite part of makeup is my eyes. I love doing my eyes, my eyeshadow, because I know I have beautiful eyes, so I like to enhance them, you know. I'm using a very dark shade of concealer for my contour. This is the HnB Soft Focus Airbrush Concealer in 6.5N. I like to use a brush to just blend it. I use a tapping motion because you don't want to move your foundation, so just tap it. And coming together. Let's not forget the nose. To blend, you need to blend it up towards your brows, like so, like that. Fenty Beauty Concealer in 385. Try to avoid directly under my eye because I'm gonna blend it upwards anyway. Now the trick, let it dry. Don't be in a hurry. You need to let your foundation, not foundation, let the concealer dry a bit so that you can blend it easily. But because I'm filming and I want to be in a hurry, I'm using my fan. Then concealer brush to blend. Be patient, we're not rushing and we're stamping. Okay, just stamp. To get to under your eye, look up and just stamp. Okay, look up, stamp. Don't worry, we look very bright now. Don't worry, we're glamming up, okay? that has blended nicely. I'm happy, really happy. I take my beauty blender to just blend everything together. Ooh. Blend. Blend, blend. To set, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Loose powder in honey. Take as much product as you want, put it back of your hands, and so now that the base is set, I'll take my Charlotte Tilbury and set my base. I'm going to be using my Jordana Ticia blush. It's very pink, it's very cute. It's called My Darling. It's pink. Smile. This is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in the shade Deep. Using my same brush. Tap on the excess. Always remember to tap excess away. And just like so. Oh, this is coming together nicely. Jordana Ticia blush also has the powder section just at the top here. So I'm going to use the same powder to just set the cream part. To blend all the harsh lines and to bring the whole makeup together, I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Compact Powder, and it's in the shade Deep as well. So just swirl and then blend the whole face. Just blend everything. Don't be scared that anything would move. Blend the whole face together. Blend everything together. Can you see how everything has come together? The blush, the contour, everything has infused and blended together. For this process, if you have loose powder as well, sometimes I use the Fenty loose powder in Nutmeg, that's fine. Or if you have any other finishing powder, like I have MAC as well, I can use my MAC finishing powder as well. Doesn't matter. There's so many options. You can use the MAC finishing powder. You can use a darker shade of loose powder, but I prefer to use Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder. The Rommel London eye pencil. This is, it's waterproof. It's a kajal. It's waterproof. My eyes water a lot, so I like to use waterproof. We're gonna pick the shade Date Night that we used earlier on and apply underneath the eyelid here, like this. So it kind of blends with the top bit. And I'm gonna take the same shimmer that I used previously for the inner corner. I'm gonna use the same shimmer for the inner corner. Can you see the difference it makes? Then just take a mascara from my lower lash, and you do it carefully so that you don't ruin your makeup. A lash separator, because I don't want it to smudge. I'll use a lash separator to just take off the excess, like that. The NARS Orgasm blush, add to my cheeks. There. It's all coming together. We are almost done. For lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the matte chestnut. Matte lipstick, I think it's Creme Sheen or something like that. Then I'm gonna use this pink lipstick. It's Saint Germaine. Gonna go back in with my finishing powder from MAC and just finish up again. Look at your face properly and see where you need to do any adjustments that you would like. For me, I think I'm okay. So I've popped some earrings on, and this is the finished look. And this is the finished look. I really love it. This is my soft glam. I hope I've been able to help you and show you exactly how this is done, and you can try it out, and when you do so, tag me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I love the look. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and welcome to the family. Welcome to my community. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.